So hey guys, good morning. What I would wanted to do here is I'm testing a new strategy, and it's basically I've been talking to my Patreon members about this a lot, and it's basically having to do with order blocks. And I wanted to explain how I go, I go thoroughly like if I put something under under my name where I say that hey, I think this is gonna be insane, right? I have right now currently the stochastic RMACD combo that I created as my own strategy, as well as divergence, right? So I have two strategies that I go by. I completely put it under my name, and I'm like, you know what, this is something that you can say that Tony uses or that I use, and I would respect it 100%, right? All the time. I've tested it enough where it's given increasingly really good results. And another strategy that I'm testing that I've never really put it into place as far as like an indicator. I've always used it as like a manual way to detect certain things, right? So I do use order blocks. I usually only use them on Forex. I don't really use them on crypto or stocks or whatever. But what I'm testing right now is an order block finder on TradingView. And essentially it's kind of going over, bullish order blocks, bearish order blocks, whatever, right? And what I've noticed on Bitcoin specifically is that when a brand new, get rid of that, is when a brand new bullish order block gets created, Bitcoin tends to move like freaking crazy, right? Like as soon as it gets created, that's confirmation that Bitcoin's gonna just push extremely hard to the upside. And when it comes down and retests, and here's the thing, right? Like, see, like it went all the way up to 19K, came down, retested this order block, and it's kind of hanging out here. You're gonna see it actually drop a little bit lower right now, right? And this would be the very first case of, I think, Bitcoin actually breaking its bullish order block, which is back in 2019 or so. You're actually gonna see it drop, I think, to like $3,000-$4,000, I think, right now, which would be the very first case of it breaking its bullish order block, came down, retested that 200 MA, kind of hung out here for a bit, and then started jumping again to the upside. So it's really interesting. New bullish order block created, boom, and you're gonna see Bitcoin completely just take off after this. And that's the thing, like, see another bullish order block created, boom, you're gonna see it's a really good indication, at least specifically for this indicator, of where Bitcoin can possibly go. And as soon as as soon as that new order block comes in for the week, you can expect a heavy move to the upside from Bitcoin, right? And at least these settings in particular detect these things a lot, right? So I wanted to show you guys what was happening right now. See how you came back, retested. You're probably going to hang around this level before see brand new bullish order block created. You're going to see Bitcoin absolutely absolutely run to the mountains right now. Watch. There you go. There it is. And then you see that huge explosion, right? Again, when you create a new bullish order block, you can definitely come back and retest it. But for the most part, see, there you go, boom, you're going to see it explode again, right? You see that new bullish indicator? And then we're going to see it being created again. You're going to see probably another one. You're going to see a new order block being created soon. And the thing is, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter where you are in price. It's just as soon as you get a new order block created, you can expect a really good pop and continuation of price, right? So you're going to see, there you go. You see it switch, right? But you see, I'll stop it here. But you see how it switched it from down here to right here? And the price was already up here, right? Price was already somewhere in the 40 somethings. But you're going to see, but because it got created, see, there you go, boom, you're going to see a really good push to the upside because that bullish order block got adjusted to the upside. So right now, what we're doing, we already retested, right? We already retested and we just pushed already. And we're right at this level right now. We're right here, right? So what I think can happen, right, on these bullish order blocks for the week is, I think, if this order block on the low side actually gets broken to the bottom, then yeah, we're going to go down. But if you come back, retest this order block, and you end up, not breaking it, then I think, you got to keep pushing to the upside. And I don't know, like it seems it seems unlikely that we come back and retest that order block because we already did it back here, right? Again, this is going completely against my reverse MACD, because if we close this Sunday, right? If we close this Sunday bearish, things look horrible, right? 100%. I'll tell you guys that right now. Things look really, 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 really ugly if we close this Sunday on a bear week, right? And so far right now, we did come down back to this level, which I basically thought we were going to come back down to this order block, but so as of right now, I am expecting, if we keep pushing to the upside, break this trend, and then keep pushing to somewhere 48 something, and then we push higher, we're probably going to create another bullish order block somewhere around here, and that's going to be a really good indication of continuation in price. But again, things are funky, man. Like the weekly looks super horrible, but the lower time frame charts look like they can still push a move to the upside. So I'm still debating whether I'm going to be completely bearish even after this weekly close on the Sunday closes, bearish. But I don't know, it's weird. Like even with the order blocks right now, it looks like we're just in the level of retesting right now this on this bullish order block to move to the upside. And even on the weekly, right? Like every single time we retested, a bullish order block, we tend to move to the upside pretty heavily. So I don't know. There's too many things right now that still make me think that we're still bullish. But, I did tell my Patreon members to offload some risk yesterday, especially if they're over leveraged, because, things can get really ugly really fast. So if you are over leveraged, I highly recommend offloading some risk. But as of right now, after looking at everything and after looking at these retests and backtests and the order block, I don't even know what this video is about. I'm just rambling on, but I felt like I just had to make it. But I don't know. I'm just going to post it and then just see what people think. I'll see you guys later. Or if you guys notice anything from these order blocks, I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.